Hi everyone, I'm Shazad and today we will talk about how can we create documents online over the internet. Alright, so let's go through the basic things. For our daily use at home and at office, we need to create documents. Sometimes we create Word documents and then we have to manage some data into spreadsheets as well. So we write and read Word documents that have paragraphs and a lot of text. They can have images as well. So usually they have text, paragraphs, images and links to other documents, and they contain a lot of information. We can have official letters, some invitations, some um, any kind of documents related to some office work or some research. So we can cover a variety of documents. We can create a variety of documents using the word processor like Microsoft Word and some open office. They are free, and then we can have Excel sheets. In Excel sheets we have columns and rows, and we can maintain our financial or any kind of data into columns and rows in the tabular form, and then we can add some formulas to do some calculations, to do some additions, divisions, like somebody at business can maintain his employees pay slips or expenses, monthly expenses or daily expenses, and can do some and can apply some formulas to calculate the overall expense of the day and the percentage of tax or any kind of things. So Excel sheet, we use Excel sheet to create these kind of documents. Then we can create presentations. Presentations are like if we're going to present some idea, or we're going to deliver some bullet point kind of things to someone. So create presentation contains sheets, and they contain bullet points. The purpose of presentation is to deliver or to convey the main idea or the theme of or the concept to the audience. So they help. So what we do, we create different slides, and in slides we put the bullet points and some links or images or some data, so that whatever we are going to convey or whatever the message we are going to deliver to the audience, these presentations help us to clearly convey our messages. Okay, so deliver or convey the message to audience. Okay, then we can have some documents, some kind of database documents as well, where we can add information using some forms and can run some queries as well, but we will not cover that in our presentation. We will mainly cover how can we create Word documents over the internet and Excel sheets and then presentations. Now we have been doing these kind of things with Microsoft Word to create Word documents. Then Excel sheets we can maintain using Microsoft Excel, famous program, and then presentations can be done through Microsoft PowerPoint. And this software cost Microsoft Office. All these modules are part of Microsoft Office suite, and we have to buy that. Microsoft has a cost if we want to use Microsoft Office, but there are some free software as well to do the same purpose. For example, Open Office is a free software that provides similar kind of services, and it is free to download and use. But obviously in offices and at homes, if some people are used to use, and if they're expert in Word, Microsoft Excel or presentation, they would prefer to use the same software. Now with the advancement of the internet, now the companies there is a trend within all these major companies to provide all these services over the web. So this is the time when the companies are providing services over the web. Over the web mean, like if we go a few years back, we used to or some people still use, they buy the Office or other software and install locally on their laptops or computers. But services over the web mean we don't need to install anything on our computer or on our laptop. The service is available over the web. For example, we have been using Office. We used to buy or get the CD of the Office and then install it locally. And when we install locally, we go through start, and then in all programs we have somewhere Microsoft Office, and then within that we have MS Word, Microsoft Excel, or Microsoft PowerPoint. No, the problem with that approach is, if I have 2 or 3 laptops or computers at my work or at my home, and if I install on one machine, that means I have to use always that machine only to create my documents and to manage my documents. If for some reason that laptop is busy or is out of work for some reason, then I do not have that software copy on my other laptops or other machines. So that means I cannot manage, edit, or print or modify my documents using the other laptops, because the laptop or the computer that was having the software is out of work. Now I'm stuck. But what if that service is over the web? That means any computer which has the ability to connect to the web can use that service. For example, if Microsoft Office is available at some website or at a link, then I don't need to install anything on my laptop. I can go to that service, log on to that web service over the web, can create my new documents, can manage or edit or modify my existing documents, and can also print or share. So there are many advantages. For example, one is you no need to have software locally. So what we do, we log on to the web and access that service. Then we save all documents on the web. This is another big advantage. When we have Microsoft Office locally, what we do, we create a document and then we save it locally on our C drive, D drive, or in my documents folder. And if it has to be printed or accessed from some other computer, either we have to copy that document from one laptop or one computer to another one, or we have to access through some network by sharing some network folders. The other advantage using this web service or over the web is that we can store all our documents on the web. So that means I'm not depending on any local computer. I go to the website, I create a document, save it over the web. Now if I go home, if I have done this work at my office and I go home, I need to access my same document, I don't need to take any laptop, nothing from my office. I will just log on to my home machine, will go to that web address, log into my account, and my document is there. So that means there is one common storage over the web, and that can be accessed from anywhere in the world. Wherever I am, I just need to have access to internet, need to go to that website, log in using my credentials, and my documents are over there. I can do anything. I can change, I can modify, I can print. And also, if we have another advantage in this case is sharing. If we are having this local copy of the software, that means I create a document. If somebody else need to view it, I need to give access some way to the other person. Either I send the document using email, or I put into some web FTP address and share that address, or I have to have some document management system at my place, and all these things are expensive. Now if I wrote a document, I sent 2 or 3 people through the email, and all these people have done some changes in those documents. Now it is very difficult, not easy to merge the changes of all those 3 people into one place. This problem is also solved if we are using the internet services. So I have my document over the web, and then I can share that document over the web to different people. Not the same document, there is only one instance of the document over the web, and that is shared across multiple users. and when I share, I can manage if somebody has the read-only access to this document or somebody else can modify this as well. So I can manage the sharing as well. So these are the advantages that we can gain if we use the web service or website to create and manage our documents. Today, no, these kind of services are provided by many companies. For example, Google has Google Doc services, and Microsoft has also provided on their if you have Windows Live account or Hotmail account, they are free as part of that account. And similarly, if you have a Gmail account or Google Mail account, you can access these services free as part of your account on the Google Docs. We already have done another video on the Google Docs, but today we will go through the Microsoft services. So what we need, we don't need to have anything. What we need is a Hotmail or Windows Live account. For example, if I have my Hotmail account, so I will simply go and log into my Hotmail account. Browser, go to Hotmail. If you don't have an account, you will get this page. Either you have a Hotmail account or you go to and sign in with a different Windows ID. Or you can sign up. If you don't have, you can go to this sign up page and create a new Hotmail account. You provide these kind of information and this wizard will create a new Hotmail account for you. If you don't have, you can create using the wizard. If you have, you can simply log in. English. So once you log into the Hotmail account, obviously you have your emails and many services. So you get your Hotmail email, you get calendar, all your contacts, and then you have messenger services, and this is the office services. Within office, you can check your recent documents and all your documents, and then you can create new documents. You have the ability to create a new Word document, new Excel work group, PowerPoint, or notebook. So I did not explain what is OneNote. OneNote is it's simply a note services. If you have in today you have 3 tasks to do, so you can create a note and put a new notebook, and then within that you can put, okay, my first task is this, second task is this, and third task. It's just kind of notes. It helps you to organize your day. Okay, so what we will just go to the office page, and we will see. So this is the office page. Over here you will see your, so you can go to your documents, photos, videos. It's kind of portal, and say we want to create a new Word document. So these are the links. I will say create new online document, and this computer doesn't have Microsoft Word installed, so you can see all this service is available over the web. So what I can say, my first, or we give a meaningful name. Say it's a MOT details. So say if we want to keep our MOT details of our rule happens, and we save. Okay, so we will see this page here. You can change this the zoom level from here. If it is small, you want to make it larger, small from here, or you can press Control plus or Control minus. So if I press Control plus, you can see it's getting bigger, and Control minus, it's getting smaller. So you can set your level whatever suits you. So from here we can, this is the standard Microsoft Word tab. If you have Microsoft Word installed on your computer, you get similar interface over the web as well, and here you can type. So you can say this is my first online Word document. Okay, in fact what we say with MOT details, so you can write here vehicle registration number, so say AB23 XYZ, MOT expires on this date, and if you want to put the image of your vehicle, you can insert image as well. So you can go from here, insert your picture, so it will, you can pick up your pictures from here, picture, sample picture. So any kind, if you want to put any picture, you can place a picture from here. It will just upload this picture from local computer to the online document. So you can put pictures from your local computer, and you can insert a table from here. You can insert clip art as well. For example, if you want, clip arts are not real pictures, but say if you want to put a car picture, you can go and write, and it will search the clip arts. So it will search different images. Come on, what is this? Why it's not showing up? Let me search again. Now there is some problem here. It's not, for some reason it's not showing an image. Let me try to insert if it shows over there or not. Okay, yes, so it has actually inserted the image. It does, for some reason it wasn't showing over there. And then you can put some links as well. So now I have explained how to insert pictures. I will just delete them, and if you have to refer some other link into this document, you can put a hyperlink as well. For example, you can say my website, or if you want to say, if you want more details, please go to this link, and that link, if you want to put that hyperlink, you can select that word or line where you want to put your link, and you go to this link, and from here you can put your web address, http://www. So you can put any web address, insert. Now when somebody will click over here, it will automatically go to that link. And similarly, you can say my videos. If you want to, if you have some video that you want to refer in your document, and again that video could be hyperlinked, so you can go here and put http youtube slash or whatever. So then you can put, and if you have some images over the web, images, you can select here and go to here and put the image URL of your image. It could be on Picasa web or any sharing website, so you can put the image. And yes, the other important thing is this table. So if you want to maintain some tabular information, so you go to here and you see how many rows and columns you want to insert. And now this, it has added a table. You can change its column and rows weight from here. For example, you say we have to number, okay, MOT due date, and any notes. So you can say my car with this number AB12XYZ, its MOT due date is 12 of 12/11 this year, and notes is tires. So you can put some notes, and similarly you can add more rows to this table and put as many cars or vehicles in here and details. And if you want some extra column, you can put some extra column as well, like you can say insert new columns to left or new columns to right. So I say I put images as well, so I, as part of my notes, I can put images as well here. And again, that could be a clip art, could be a picture from my computer, or an image from some other website as well. And if I want to add a new row down, I will right click here and will go to insert and say insert row above or below. So if I want to insert row below, I will just insert row below and say WE34 and then ASD, and if its MOT expires on 10th of 06 of 11, and Oh, you can put your notes and you can put some image here as well. So this is how you can create your documents, Word documents, put and insert these kind of objects in it, and then over here you can deal with text and formatting. If you want to make it bold, you can select this line, and you can select this line and you can underline it using this link. You can make it italic style, you can make it bold, so it will become. If you want to change the color of any text or set the background color, you select that, and this is the font color. You can make it any line. So you want to make it blue or red, it will become red. If you want to highlight some text, you can select that text, and this is the highlight color, so it will become yellow or green. So it has highlighted. And if you want to, you can, and if you want to change the font, you can select the text, and here is the font, so you can select any of the font that you like. For example, if you want Cambria style and you want to change the text size as well, go here and you can listen. And if you want to apply the similar style, you don't want to play with paragraphs and lines and the formatting of different lines, so you can simply apply. So you can select your text, and these are some standard given styles. You can go to more styles as well. So if you like this style, you can simply apply this style. It will automatically apply to all the documents the same style. Okay, so if you want to go through spelling checks, you can do the spelling check here as well. And these are the styles. If at the moment this text is in this style, like the line will aligned is from the left, if you want to take it to the middle, it will come to the middle. If you want to take it to the right, it will come to the right. And if you have some bullet point kind of things like points, and your first point is point 1, then point 2 and point 3, so you can select these points. This is your main point and these are the sub points, and then you can go here. They will appear as bullet points, your main point, so point 1. And if you want to go sub points under, so you can come here, press a tab simply, or say sub point 1 and sub point 1 2. You can select from here. Either you press tab, it will automatically go further at a further level, or you can come to here and say increase indent, so it will come here, so it will become no sub point. You can do this kind of formatting as well. You can copy paste, cut, copy paste. These are the standard. Control C for cut, Control V for paste, and Control X for cut. And no file, no, you can create this document. You can save changes to your document. You can print from here. You can share with other people. When you share, you give the email address and give the access level. Properties, give privacy, and so you try different options and you will see. You can close this document. So I will press save. Now this document is saved over the web. Okay, if I go to my SkyDrive, so all these documents are saved on the SkyDrive. Okay, if I go over here, I should find this document. So here is this document. Now if I want to open it again, I can go here, click on this one, and it will open up the same document over here. So if I say I logged into a different computer, I have the internet access, I will go to my account, will click on that document, and it will open the document. So now it has opened the document from the internet. This document is not on my laptop, it's on the web. Anywhere I go, I log into Microsoft Hotmail account and I get my documents over there, and I can print them, make changes, save them again. I can share with other people. So if now I have to share it with other people, I will go to this sharing option. So who can access this document? At the moment it is only me who can access this document. If I already have a group, say all my colleagues, say over here, then I will get my colleagues and I will simply drag this to my colleagues or some of my friends. Then I can say can view or can edit. If I give them the access to view only, they will be able to see the contents only. If I give them the access to edit, they can make changes and save the changes as well. Please note, if they make any changes and they save these changes will automatically appear on this document under their user ID as well. So you can check who made what changes. Okay, if you want to make it public, you just take it here, so it's public, anybody can see this document. And if you want some additional, you can put some, say abc@hotmail.com, so you can give and say this person has the access to this document. If you explicitly say me and this person only, then you put as many addresses as you want and then xyz@hotmail xyz@hotmail.com, and then you can say save. And again, if you want abc to view only and xyz can edit as well, so you can maintain this access at personal level as well. Okay, and once you can say here is my mot document, please review or view, so you can send, and it will send an email to these people and with the link of the document as well. Okay? So you can easily share your documents. Okay, today we have done Microsoft Word, and in the next session we will see how can we create Excel and a PowerPoint. They're easy. Now you know, it's just the point of having MSN or Microsoft Hotmail address. And once you reach here, you can create these documents and then you can use these services. If you have some experience of Microsoft Office, the interface is almost simple, but there are advantages as I explained, like our documents will be stored over the web, so we can access anywhere. We do not depend on the machine where we create these documents. Sharing is made much easier, and then availability is 24 hours from anywhere from the world. If you have internet, you can access these documents from anywhere. Okay, hope you will get benefit from this, and if you have some questions, you can ask or send messages, and in the next session we will see the other types of documents, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay then, bye bye.